So I'm not a big believer in the muhavras. I think they are meant to kind of, the popular sayings. I think they're meant to control the masses. They are not really very effective. Like, jitne chador, utne peher, etc., etc. So one of the things that I think we've been told all our lives that if you want to walk fast, you walk alone. If you want to carry people along, you have to walk slow, and all of this sounds great, right? And logically sounds great. But I think what is happening now is and this is something I've always believed in, because even if you look in the army, you are actually building individual contributors who are very, very good. Because in the war, you can't have B players. You need everyone to be an A player by default. So if you for a minute thought that in life you had to do well, that means that you will build yourself in a certain way, and you will make yourself a very, very good individual contributor of your life and to that of others in your life. So individual contributor to me is a given. You have to be a very effective individual contributor. But I've been in spaces and corporates, etc., where being an individual contributor is almost thrown at you, saying you should not be a team player, you should be an individual contributor. It's almost a slur. And I've heard it, and I'm not a bad team player at all. I've ran really large teams, etc. But the teams that I've ran effectively are teams which are really, really good. Everybody is a great individual contributor. Small teams, but very effective teams, very good individual contributors together make a great whole. But even if you remove people from the team in itself will do really well, because everybody can do each other's jobs. These are people who care about the macros and the micros, and who kind of worry about the problem and the solution. They're not very dependent on each other. They love having fun with each other and working with each other, but they're not dependent on each other. So that little my corner of the universe fight that happens in a corporate, this is mine, that is yours, the tough war that happens is not there, because the problem is so big that the 5 people who might be solving it kind of realize that they are not enough, and at the same time they're so good that they know that individually they can make massive contribution. So I think the sooner we kind of get out of this whole thing about large teams, small teams, individual contributors, etc., and kind of just focus on the fact that today you will have to get really, really good at solving problems. And whether you do it with one person, 2 people, one person, 2 machines, one person, 5 agents, really doesn't matter. But it always takes one person. It always starts with one person. One person who decides, who takes the call, who walks. The path is quite uncharted now. So the uncharted path walker is who matters. And also there is no path. So everything that you've been told is more or less defunct. So don't fall to the hubris, because a lot of this I think is just built to keep you small or to make you part of a group or a pack, because groupthink is what has kept us alive. Society needed groupthink, but it's not very effective for growth, especially quantum growth.